Hello students. Last day we started with the chapter rational number and we learned the properties of rational number. Today in this part I am going to solve some problem from the exercise 1a. The first sum is add each pair of rational numbers given below and so that their addition or sum is also a rational number. Now addition of two rational number is a rational number that we learned yesterday and the property is known as the closure property. Now let us discuss the first sum. It is given as minus 8 by 13 and minus 4 by 13. So we need to add. So I am writing minus 8 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13. Now, so minus 8 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13. So LCM of 13 and 13 is 13. So if you simplify the numerator, you will get minus 8 minus 4. So minus 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 12 and denominator is 13. So minus 12 by 13 is a rational number. So we proved that the addition of two rational number is also a rational number. Let us take another example. 7 by 18 and 8 by 27. So we need to add. So I am writing minus 7 by 18 plus plus 8 by 27. So first we need to find out the LCM of 18 and 27. So LCM of 18 and 27, if you compute, you will get 54. So denominator will be 54. 54 divided by 18 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 7 plus 54 divided by 27 is 2 multiplied by 8. So 3 into minus 7 is equal to minus 21 plus 2 into 8 is equal to 16. So we'll get minus 21 plus 16 by 54. So this is equal to minus 21 plus 16 is minus 5 by 54. Clear? Let us discuss another problem. Evaluate. Evaluate means we need to simplify. It is given as 1 by minus 15 plus 5 by minus 12. So we can write it as minus 1 by 15 minus 5 by 15. That means I am writing the number in standard form. Standard form is where denominator is positive. Now first find out the LCM of 15 and 20. So LCM of 15 and 20, you have seen LCM, you will get it as 60. So denominator will be 60. Now we simplify the numerator. So 60 divided by 15 is 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 5 into 5 is 25. So minus 4 minus 25 by 60. So minus 4 minus 25 is equal to minus 29 by 60. The next sum is 0 plus minus 2 by 7. So it will be minus 2 by 7 because 0 is an additive identity. When 0 is added with a number or a number is added with a rational number, the result is number itself. Yesterday we learned this. So the result will be minus 2 by 7. You need to write as since 0 is the additive identity. Clear? Now the next problem is evaluate. 4 by 7 plus 0 plus minus 8 by 9 plus minus 13 by 7 plus 17 by 9. So now see, if you apply the properties of additive identity, so 4 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 4 by 7 and I am writing rest of the number as it is, plus 8 by 9 plus minus 13 by 7 plus 17 by 9. Now see, I am not applying sign changes here because I want to use the property of addition of rational number. So I am keeping these two terms together. That means I am interchanging their position. I am writing this first, that is plus of minus 13 by 7 plus minus 8 by 7. Here I am using the commutative property. I am keeping these same denominator terms together, so it will ease my calculation. So if you simplify this two, denominator will be 7, and when the denominator is 7, you need to add or subtract the numerator. So 4 plus minus 13. Same way, denominator will be 9, so you will get minus 8 plus 17. So 4 plus minus 13 plus minus 8 plus 17, it is equal to 9, so you will get 9 by 9. 9 by 9 means it is equal to 1, and if you simplify this part, you will get 4 minus 13 is equal to minus 9 by 7 plus 1. Now LCM is 7, so we will get minus 9 plus 7. This is equal to minus 2 by 7. Let us discuss another problem. 3 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12 plus 3 by 7 plus 3 by 12 plus minus 5 by 8 plus minus 2 by 7. Now, see, first we need to rearrange the term such that their denominator will be same. So I am keeping 3 by 8 and this minus 5 by 8 terms together. Minus 5 by 12 and 3 by 12 by 3 by 12 terms together, and 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 terms together. When denominator will be same, it will be easy for our calculation. So 8, if you simplify these two terms, LCM will be 8. So you will get numerator, you will get 3 plus of minus 5. Same, denominator same. So LCM will be 12. You will get numerator, you will get minus 5 plus 3. Denominator same. So LCM will be 7. You will get 3 plus of minus 2. 3 plus of minus 5. That means 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So you will get minus 2 by 8. So you can cancel 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Moving into the next term, minus 5 plus 3. This is equal to minus 2. So you will get minus 2 by 12. So if you cancel again, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. So you will get plus of minus 1 by 6. 3 plus of minus 2, that is 1 by 7. So you will finally you are getting minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 6, plus 1 by 7. 4, 6, 7. If you find out the LCM, LCM will be 84. So 84 divided by 4 is equal to 21. 84 divided by 6 is equal to 14. 84 divided by 7 is equal to 12. So if you simplify this, add these two because the same sign, and then if you simplify, you will get minus 23 by 84. I am showing this calculation. See, minus 21 minus 14. So you will get minus 35 plus 12. So you will get minus 23. Next sum is, for each pair of rational numbers, verify commutative property of addition of rational number. Two numbers are given. One is 2 by minus 5 and another is 11 by minus 15. Now, what is the commutative property? If you add these two, so you will get a sum. It will remain the same if you interchange their position. That means to show that we need to prove 2 by minus 5 plus 11 by minus 15 is equal to 11 by minus 15 plus 2 by 5. 2 by minus 5. So first, find out the sum of these two numbers. 2 by minus 5 plus 11 by minus 15. If you apply, so first 2 minus 2 by 5 plus minus 11 by 15. Now LCM of 5 and 15 will be 15. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 2. Next 15 divided by 15, it is equal to 1 multiplied by 11. So you'll get minus 6 minus 11 by 15. So you'll get minus 16 is minus 17 by 15. Clear? Same way you find out the sum of these two number. If you find out the sum of these two number, you also get the same thing, minus 17 by 15. Now since these two sums are equal, then we conclude that this verifies the commutative property of for addition of rational number. Next sum is, for each set of rational numbers given below, verify the associative property of addition of rational number. A set of numbers are given. So associative property means if you add these two and with the result, if you add minus 7 by 10, the result is same if you add these two and with the result if you add minus 2 by 5. So we start our problem with, to show the associative property, we need to show minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 15 plus of minus 7 by 10 is same as minus 2 by 5 plus, and the last two number is within the bracket, 4 by 15 plus minus 7 by 10. So let us first simplify this part. Now see, following the BODMAS rule, we need to simplify these two. We need to find out the sum of these two. 5 and 15. LCM is 15. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 2. 15 divided by 15 is 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So the first term you are getting as 3 into minus 2 plus 4 by 15, and we keep this term as it is plus of minus 7 by 10. 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6 plus 4 by 15 plus minus 7 by 10. Now if you simplify, minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2. So you are getting minus 2 by 15 plus of minus 7 by 10. 15 and 10 LCM is 30. So again if you simplify, 30 divided by 15 is 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 7. So you'll get minus 2 into 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. 3 into minus 7 is equal to minus 21 plus minus minus. So you are getting minus 4 minus 21 by 30. That is equal to minus 25 by 30. So you need to cancel out the term. So 5 5 ja, 5 6 ja. So finally the simplified form is sum of these three is equal to minus 5 by 6. Now next, first we need to find out sum of these two, and then with the result we need to add minus 2 by 5. So if you if you simplify this, you will also get minus 5 by 6. So you have seen both two parts are equal and equal to minus 5 by 6. So this verifies the associative property of addition of rational number. Now the next question is, write the additive inverse or negative of. Additive inverse means it is a negative of a rational number. So the first sum is 4 by minus 9. So additive inverse of 4 by minus 9, or you can say minus 4 by 9 is minus of minus 4 by 9. Or simply you can change the sign. It is minus, so your additive inverse will be positive. Additive inverse of minus 4 by minus 13. So minus 4 by minus 13, when numerator and denominator both are negative, the number is positive, 4 by 13. So your additive inverse will be minus 4 by 13. And additive inverse of 0 is minus 0. So plus 0 or minus 0, it remains the same. So it will be 0. So in this part, we discuss the sum based on closure property, commutative property and associative property. With this video, there is an assignment attached with you. Complete the assignment and submit it in a Google Classroom. Thank you.